food lovers, I'm Tommy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a super easy, very quick and very creamy cheesecake. There are so many recipes about cheesecake out there, but I'm gonna show you my version. Okay, let's get started. For this recipe we're gonna need 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 500 grams of whipping cream, 220 grams of powdered sugar, 180 grams of unsalted butter, 5 tablespoons of milk, 300 grams crushed biscuits, 150 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of starch, 400 grams of frozen cherries. First, let's make the fruit filling, because it needs to be cold before we use it. And while it cools, we will make the rest of the cake. In a small saucepan, put 400 grams of cherries and place it on a stove at medium temperature. Then add 100 milliliters of water and bring it to boil. In a small bowl, put 1 tablespoon of starch and dissolve it with 50 milliliters of cold water. Once the cherries are boiling, add the starch in and mix it well. And let it boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Then remove it from the stove and leave it to cool. Now let's make the white cheesecake filling. In a bowl of a stand mixer, put 500 milliliters of whipping cream, add 220 grams of powdered sugar and whisk it. When the cream gets thicker, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and leave it to mix. Then add 500 grams of mascarpone cheese and mix it until everything combined. And that's it, the most creamy white filling for cheesecake is done. Now we need to make the biscuits and the perfect cheesecake is ready. First, put 180 grams of unsalted butter in a small bowl and melt it in the microwave. Once it's melted, let it cool down a little bit. Then in a bowl, add 300 grams of crushed biscuits, add the cooled butter and add 5 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well with a fork until combined. So everything is ready, now it's time to build our cheesecake. First, put the biscuits in a 28 cm cake pan and knead it well. It's best to do this with the bottom of a glass. Then add the white filling and smear it well. Finally, cover the cheesecake with the cool cherries, cover it and put it in the fridge overnight. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button on this video and set a comment below. The next day, take it out of the cake mold and cut it into pieces of your choice. Now look at this beauty. Enjoy it and don't forget, good food is good mood.